I recently spent $3,000 on a combo vending machine after securing a location just for the owner to say he doesn't want it anymore.
I would love to see, because it doesn't look like it belongs to. I'd like to see it like be out to here, you know what I mean? Not the whole. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I don't mean to sound like a.
Yeah, I just have to figure out how to get it back to my house then. Fuck. But when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So in this video, we're going to be securing an even better location for this vending machine and dropping it off there. But first, we have to drive to Sam's Club to buy some drinks and snacks to fill this machine up. I swear, guys, every YouTuber has either a Sam's Club or Costco membership. So I'm driving to Sam's Club right now. I have no idea how much a membership costs. But after that, we're gonna buy enough drinks and snacks to fill up our combo vending machine. And comment down below how much you guys think it's gonna cost. We just made it to Sam's Club. Now let's head inside. Hi, I just wanted to buy a membership.
Oh, you want to become a membership?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have special going on.
The total cost for the membership came out to $80 for the year. Then it was time to buy some snacks. I noticed right away that Biden's inflation really hit the candy market. 2-count Reese's cups cost me 94 cents each, which was the same for both the Wildberry Skittles and Starburst I bought. I want to be able to double my money on every single product sold in my vending machine. So with the candy, it looks like we're gonna have to price it at $1.75 each. Inflation is out of control. I then went ahead and bought some chips along with drinks at a lower per unit cost, then went to check out. All right, guys, so I just left Sam's Club and our total on this order came out to $424.69. And as you guys can see, my back seat is absolutely full with snacks and drinks. I guess this is what the life of owning vending machines is gonna be like. We just made it back to the house and you guys can see that the machine behind me is now filled up. I only put 1 or 2 snacks in each of the slots to see what it looks like and also test the machine, but I realized that the outlets in my garage over there do not work. So this machine is not turning on right now. So it looks like we're gonna have to wait until this machine is on location to be able to test it and set the prices for all the snacks. But now let's head inside the house and start cold calling local businesses to get this vending machine placed.
Thank you for calling the Vending Leasing Office. This is Rob. How can I help you?
Hi Rob, this is Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I was just calling to see if you guys had any vending machine service to provide snacks and drinks to the residents.
At the moment, we do not. So we are kind of going over what we want to do with our community room. We're kind of at the stage where we are looking at remodeling it. As of now, no. I can always circle back with my business manager, Sam, to see what our plans are. I just don't know what, kind of concrete ideas we have going in that direction.
I guess if it works for you, I could send over an email kind of breaking down like what I provide in terms of services. If there's an email that works, I can send over that information.
Yeah, we'd be more than happy to take a look.
Awesome.
You can send it to our general Modern Leasing email. That way we can all take a look at it here in the office.
Perfect. Awesome. I got that down and I will send you guys an email right now. And then if you want to move forward, just email me back. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
Bye. I decided to start cold calling apartment complexes, fiending for the best possible location for my vending machine.
Hello, this is Michelle.
Hi, Michelle. This is Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I was just calling to see if you guys had a vending machine to provide snacks and drinks to the residents.
We do.
Okay, perfect. Are you guys currently happy with that?
I believe we are. Thank you for calling the Easton Apartments. We are currently away from our desk. Please leave a message with your name and number.
Hi, you reached Westwood Management Corporation. We are away from our desk.
Thank you for calling Urbanite. My name's John. How can I help you?
Hi, John. This is Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I was just calling to see if you guys had a manager available.
I'm afraid I don't at the moment.
This was in regards to a vending machine in the location for your residents to provide like snacks and drinks. Do you think that'd be something you guys would be interested in?
I don't think so.
And although we got a lot of places interest, I realized apartment complexes move kind of slow. So a couple days ago, when I spent over an hour cold calling and emailed all the places potentially interested, no one got back to me. But one location that said they might be interested. And after spending not 1, but 2 more days cold calling, I decided it was time to try something new. So we're gonna run Facebook and Instagram feed ads with a budget of $25 to see if we get any leads. And the website we are going to use to make our ad is pickcopilot.com. I think this method is going to work a lot better than cold calling, since instead of randomly cold calling businesses, targeted ads put us in contact with business owners that already want a vending machine for their location. So in a way, it essentially takes the guesswork around finding the right people to pitch our services to. But to get started making the ad on Pick Copilot's website, we are going to upload this picture of a basic red vending machine. As you can see, Pick Copilot can automatically remove any background and your image and add a new one. But next, we are going to pick from the many templates they have available and go with this one right here, since it gives us some text space images to customize. And finally, let's add our logo in the corner to make it look even more professional. Now, as you guys can see, the image is already looking pretty good, but it's about to get even better when we click generate. And boom, look at that improvement. The vending machine no longer looks like it's just floating in thin air. It looks like it's sitting flat on the ground without me having to take a photo like that myself. That's made possible with the power of Quik Copilot's AI that has been trained with over 1 billion e-commerce images to give you the best possible results, so you don't have to spend money and time setting up a shoot with the photographer or paying a graphic designer. But let's say you wanted a variation of the image we just created to split test between a few different options. You can actually click regenerate to get a different style image at no extra cost to you. And if you like the image, you can click download and use it for whatever you want. With our 3 image ads created to split test between, I'm gonna launch our Facebook ads targeting business owners in my area at a total budget of $25. And when a business owner sees our ad and decides they want to move forward, they'll be prompted to fill out a Google form with information like their name, business name, email address, and phone number. So now instead of having to cold call for leads, they'll come to us. As you guys can see, our ad has officially launched, and I'm pretty excited to see just how many leads we can get with just $25. But thank you so much, Quik Copilot, for sponsoring this video. This is a product I'm not only going to use for my vending machine business, but it's also great for e-commerce. Whether you're selling border collie puppies, water bottles, or crypto miners, Quik Copilot makes it easy to make a good-looking ad, so be sure to check them out down below in the description to get started for free. And create pictures that sell products with Quik Copilot AI. And on that note, it's been a couple of days, and we've gotten quite a few replies to our forum from businesses in the area that may want vending machine services. 2 are auto repair shops, 1 hotel complex that wants multiple machines, and finally an apartment complex about 5 minutes away from me. That means our $25 in ad spend got us 4 hot leads for the vending machine business, and now I'm gonna go ahead and call them. I think I'm gonna start with the apartment complex location first, because I could see that being more profitable than an auto repair shop. And I'm gonna wait on the hotel location for now, since it's a bit out of my price range at the moment with them wanting multiple machines, but it's probably something I'll consider in the future.
Hello, this is Jared with Greenfield Avenue Apartments. How can I help you?
Hi Jared, this is Will calling because you filled out an ad expressing interest in a vending machine for your location to provide drinks and snacks for the residents.
Yes, thanks for calling me back. I'm looking to get one brought in as quickly as possible. How soon do you think you can have it here?
I can actually have it here this week. I can send you a picture of the machine if you want, just to make sure that it looks good to you, and then I can get delivery arranged for the next day or 2 if that works.
Yeah, that works for me. I'm actually here until 9 p.m. tonight, so if you happen to have time, you're more than welcome to stop in and figure out where you want to put it.
This was a hot lead, but here's where this video takes an interesting turn. You guys can see when I open my garage that, surprise, the vending machine is actually not here. And that's because a couple days ago, it was actually placed on location, and the cold call you guys saw was actually for a potential second location. That's right, guys, we're expanding fast. But to tell you the story of the first machine, a few days back, I had a lunch with my friend, and I told him the story of placing a vending machine in location and getting kicked out that exact same day.
I would love to see, because it doesn't really belong to. I'd like to see it like be able to hear, you know what I mean? Not the whole.
At the time, I was super busy cold calling a bunch of businesses, and him being in real estate, he called one of his buddies who had an apartment complex to see if they'd be okay with me placing a vending machine there.
Can I install a vending machine in your 20 units? Okay.
I guess it pays to have good friends and connections, since that was easier than I expected. The only thing the guy asked for was a change machine for his laundry room, so I found one on Facebook Marketplace for $395, talked the guy down to $380, and drove out to the Chicago suburbs to buy it. We're 5 minutes away from this guy's house to go meet to buy this quarter machine with $380 in cash on my passenger seat. Hopefully everything's good with this machine and it works just fine, because I'm driving about an hour and 10 minutes in total one way just to buy this coin machine, but it will definitely be worth it, since a lot of the coin machines on Facebook Marketplace are like $800, $1,500. This one's $380, so pretty good deal. Fingers crossed. We're definitely gonna test it before we buy it.
What you do, you can, I always go with the quarters, and there is like, I don't know, dime. You're gonna make money, you can put it, and wherever you put pills, it's gonna give you put the dollar, it's gonna be one shot. If you put just the 2 tubes, give you 50 cents.
Okay. The guy explained how to use the machine and make money on it, then tested it for me.
50.
Oh, nice.
Make some.
Yeah.
There you go. Go ahead and count that. Thank you. It's not heavy. You can.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. The guy literally tested it and everything right in front of me, so I'm super excited to get this machine on location along with our awesome vending machine. It's all gonna get delivered on Thursday, baby. That's gonna be a big day. The next morning, I rented a U-Haul and a dolly for $100 and paid 2 people from Craigslist to help move the machine. It was pretty heavy, but we made it work. Now that the vending machine is officially loaded in the back of the U-Haul along with some snacks on both of the edges, it's time to drive this baby to the location. So let's go ahead and close the back of the U-Haul. And now that the back of the U-Haul's closed, let's go ahead and head to the location. We got my buddy Javen driving. You said you have experience with this because you're an ambulance driver, right? Yeah. It's probably a good thing that I'm not driving because I'm not good at driving a regular car, let alone an entire ass U-Haul. So fingers crossed we make it there safe and the vending machine isn't damaged. We're pulling up right now to the apartment complex and we're about to deliver this machine. We had more people to help once we got to the location, which made bringing it in even easier. Moving heavy objects definitely isn't my strength.
I don't know how they have that.
Know your strengths, know your weaknesses, and stay out of the way. Watch the lights.
And just like that, the vending machine was placed. Sorry I didn't update you guys sooner, but as you can see, we have all of the snacks on the floor right here, and we're about to load up this vending machine. This is gonna be my first time ever doing this, guys, so wish me luck. And after about an hour and a half of tedious work, filling up the vending machine with snacks and drinks and setting the prices for everything, we were good to go. Now that the machine is officially all stocked up with the prices set and everything, it's time to test it with this dollar bill. So let's put our $1 into the machine. It accepted it, you guys can see, and now we're gonna go for our selection. I think I'm gonna go for that Coke bottle, so number 54. Let's do that one, and boom, it is working, baby. Let's go. Let's cue the epic fail here. It's a little fizzy, but good. The machine is all good to go and it's ready to start making some passive income. On that note, it's now been a week since we placed the vending machine on location and I haven't heard anything since then, so I assume everything's been working fine. And right now we're outside of the apartment building and about to head inside, but of course I brought some snacks with to refill the machine along with some change since the change reader was relatively low when I left. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
I'm leaving. I'm not scared.
Oh, you're heading home?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are now back at the location, and it looks like not too much has sold, but one of the rows right here is completely sold out. So at least something sold on the vending machine. Ooh. Machine is now opened up, and now to go to the bill acceptor, you guys can see we've got a little bit of cash in here. Boom, look at that, guys. Got a nice little stack. Nice, that's not bad. Woo. So in total, we have $25 in cash after 1 week, and to go check on the change down here, we don't have any change. Everyone's been paying with cash. And as I close this machine back up, I do want to mention that our $25 in revenue does not reflect any credit card sales yet, since we haven't been able to get this thing working. I have been in contact with the person that makes this credit card machine, but it takes a while to transfer over to a new owner. So for like the next week or so, we won't have any credit card sales. Still, we're on track for over $100 a month, which isn't great, but I think that this location is gonna pick up a lot more once we get better product in there, once we kind of figure out what the people in this apartment complex like. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, and I will see you all in the next